Hi, I'm Justin McConville, the leader of Health, Safety and Environment at Onside Restoration, where I'm responsible for the health and safety of over 1,300 employees nationally. We've received a lot of questions lately on respiratory protection. Specifically, what type of respiratory protection will protect you from the COVID-19 virus? We see a lot of people in public wearing facial coverings, surgical masks, respirators, and this prompts a lot of questions. We'll start with surgical masks. These masks are primarily designed for healthcare workers or those who may be sick from spreading particulates, droplets, and any bacteria from their mouths to those around them. These masks will not provide a reliable protection against airborne particulates as they're loose fitting against your face, meaning the sides and top around your nose bridge are not tight fitting, so therefore particulate matter can break that seal. Respirators, such as N95 respirators, commonly known as dust masks, are tight fitting where they will provide a seal around your face, protecting you from airborne particulate. This respirator has a valve, which is designed for comfort and when you're wearing for long durations of time and you need to expel that hot, moist air away from your face. A valved mask will not protect those around you from any airborne particulates or droplets that the wearer can expel if they are sick. Whereas N95 respirators without valves will offer protection to those working around the wearer and the wearer from those who may be sick around them. These masks are not as comfortable to wear for longer durations of time, however, they are often the best option. There are many KN95 respirators in the market that are very similar. They are the Chinese equivalent to the N95 respirator, and they are also a great option if that's the only respirator available. Next, we have half-face respirators. These respirators are also valved, so therefore they only protect the wearer from airborne particulate matter. These masks are a lot more comfortable to wear and offer a wide variety of filters and cartridge selection, which may be more suited to tasks that are using chemicals or disinfectants. Cloth facial coverings are quite common on the market as of late. These are much like surgical masks, where they're designed to protect those around you and not so much the wearer from airborne particulate matter. Many of them have valves, which they defeat the purpose of even wearing a facial covering. So be aware when you're buying these and read your reviews and follow your local health authorities on their recommendations if you decide to wear a cloth facial covering. Oftentimes you can make these at home with materials you already have. Thank you for watching. For more information about respiratory protection and other COVID-19 related tips, visit our website at www.onside.ca. If you have questions, email us at contactus@onside.ca or leave a question in the comments section below.